How to use the cover screen on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Hey peeps, what's up, Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the cover screen on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So if the cover screen on your Z Flip 4 is turned off, a single tap is going to show you the time. A double tap over here is going to take you into the main menu. Swipe right from here and you will be able to see the notifications. Swipe left from here and these are your widgets. So you have now playing alarms, a timer, your calendar, weather information, and of course you have the ability to add some more widgets if you select add widget. So let us say I want to add today's schedule. It is asking me to confirm my fingerprint, and once that is done I can now add or delete the widgets. So if I scroll across and tap on this minus sign on the top right, I should be able to delete this widget. If I want to add another one, I will select add widget one more time and then I can swipe through the different options. So say I want to add this one, I selected that, and now this specific Samsung Health widget has been added successfully. So here it is, tap here to get started. We are now going through our widgets one more time. Then if you want to access your quick settings panel, you have to swipe down and bam, here it is. These are our quick setting tiles which are available. So you have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, configuring your ringer modes, airplane mode, torch, and brightness. This brightness over here is for the cover screen. And before you ask me, hey Manchi, what about customizing or adding some more quick setting tiles? Well, Samsung does not let you do that right now, which I think is very disappointing. Then in case you want to use Samsung Pay, all you have to do is swipe up and bam, here it is. You can now pay using Samsung Wallet. I do not have it set up, which is why I'm not getting the option for payment, but once you set up your Samsung Wallet, you should be able to just swipe up from your cover screen on the Z Flip 4 to make a payment anywhere. Next up, if you want to use the actual rear cameras to take a picture from the cover screen, all you have to do is press the power button twice and this is going to open the camera app. Now this is a zoomed in view. If you double tap, it is going to take you to the actual preview. Now you might have to skip through a tutorial to reach this point wherein double tap takes you between the zoomed in view and the actual preview. Over here, if you want to switch between the lenses, you can swipe down. There it is on the top right. You can see 0.5x, or you can also swipe up. So this is us switching between the lenses. To take a picture, all you need to do is tap over here and bam, there it is. It took a picture. Or the other thing you can do is you can press the volume button to take an instant picture, or you can move your hand, and once it sees your hand, it will show you a timer and it will take another picture. To switch between the different modes, you can swipe. So here it is. Now we are in portrait mode. Swipe across, we are in photo mode, and swipe across one more time, we are now in video mode. The only downside which I have seen so far is that for you to exit this camera mode, you have to press the power button to lock your cover screen and then press it one more time or access the cover screen once again. So in my humble opinion, Samsung should have an option to get out of the camera mode without pressing the power button. Next up, if you want to change the background of your clock, in that case you have to open your device, and once that is done you need to go into settings. Once you are in settings, scroll through the different options and you will see something called cover screen. Once you go inside cover screen, you have clock style and widgets. So if you want to reorder the widgets on your cover screen, that is something which you can do over here with the reorder option on the top right, and you can also enable and disable the different widgets over here as well. If you go into the option of the clock style, herein you can choose different backgrounds. So these are some of the ones which are pre-baked. Basic ones is like totally static and all you need to do is select it, customize, choose the color option, and then we are going to say done, and here it is, it was changed successfully. The graphical ones are the ones which are animated. So let us say we want this flower one over here, we select it, we say customize, you can choose the color palette. Let us say we want this one, you can also customize the text color, and then we are going to say done, and bam, this one was now applied successfully to our cover screen. And before I forget, certain graphical clock styles do let you switch between different options. So if I select this one and then I go into customize, you will notice there are multiple characters over here. So either you can choose shuffle or you can choose one of them, and you can also customize the text color. And once you do that, you can now switch between the different options. So it is going to shuffle between the different options, and there it is, peeps. That was a small video showing you how to use the cover screen on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, and that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.